Hello, welcome to another of my videos where I work through and explain A-level physics multi-choice questions. If you want to try to answer this question yourself, pause the video now. If you got the answer B, well done. If you didn't and you'd like to hear my explanation, please keep watching. So in the circuit below, the cell has an EMF of 12 volts. I'm going to start adding information to this drawing. And an internal resistance which is not negligible. So there's an internal resistance. So let's draw that internal resistor in here. And we'll name it little r. When the resistance of the variable resistor is 10 ohms, the voltmeter reads 10 volts. Now that voltmeter is reading what we call the terminal potential difference. The potential difference that is the EMF minus the potential difference that is dropped across the internal resistance. So when the voltmeter reads 10 volts, the ammeter reads 1 amp. The resistance of the variable resistor has changed to 5 ohms. What is the new reading on the ammeter? Well, the first thing we need to do is we need to find out what this internal resistance is. And I'm going to use the equation that the EMF is equal to the current multiplied by the external plus the internal resistance. I can rearrange that equation to make the internal resistance the subject, and that equals the EMF over the current minus the external resistance. Let's put some numbers in here. The EMF we were told was 12 volts, the current we were told was 1 amps, the external resistance is 10 ohms, so we've got an internal resistance of 2 ohms. And what we want to find is we want to find the new reading on the ammeter when the new external resistance is 5 ohms, or the variable resistor is 5 ohms. So I'm now going to use exactly the same equation, but this time I'm going to make I, or the current, the subject. So the current is going to be equal to the EMF over the total resistance, which is the external resistance plus the internal resistance. Again, we'll put some numbers in. The EMF is 12. The external resistance has now changed to 5 ohms. And the internal resistance is still that 2 ohms. Put those into my calculators, and I'm getting an answer of 1.7 amps. Answer B. If you found this video useful, please do subscribe, please share the video, and watch more of them in the series.